So this is our project today. We are putting gravel over cloth, over big rock to make things smooth and easy for ourselves. Because we're moving the tractor back. Woohoo! We're doing it, we're doing it. And so, look at this, this is so cool. Life is gonna be easy. Life is gonna be fun out here again. You know, it's not every day you get to have a piece of paradise. It just really isn't. But today's the day we do. And we're making that paradise just a tiny bit better. Just a tiny bit better. Praise God for the tractor. Thank you. We need this good old Kubota. May not be... Wow, isn't that cool? Just dump that. Think how long that would take me to do with a shovel. Well, not me. Think how long that would take Pat to do with a shovel. And then, of course, we have our baby girl out here. She supervises everything. Hi, Roxy. Hi, everybody. All right, onward, onward. Oh, now he's gonna level it, I think. I think you might want to see that. That's kind of cool. He just puts that one piece down and levels it out. Or at least I guess that's how it works, huh? Let's watch. We'll see. There we go. And it'll be easy to drive on. It won't be all muddy. The mud won't come through and get in my car. I love my car. All right, that's it for now. Toodles. So, just had to show you the end product. And this is how a perfectionist, my husband, Pat Hamer, dirtsculptor.com, evens and levels everything out. I mean, it is amazing. We will be bringing our trailer out here. Either today or tomorrow, Lord only knows. But I know that's why this is happening. So, yay! Have a great day, everybody. And this is how that guy say it? Get her done.
Okay, so we got this spot here I'm going to put my RV in. This is all clay, and I put quite a bit of rock down, and it just gets pushed right into the mud. And that's kind of what I wanted to do, because this, you know, you could take the clay out and put some regular dirt in, or you could take some 1.5 inches and mix it in with the mud. So I put probably about 3 or 4 or 5 inches of 1.5 inches pushed into this area here for the last couple months. And as it rains and snows, I would drive over it, and that mud would just float up to the top again. And so I think I got it to the point where it's stabilized, and I'm going to put a road fabric on top of this. I'm going to take that over there, and I'm going to start spreading it out. And then I'll fix all the rest of this road, and then I'll just have a truck tailgate the rest of it. But we had that dumped off a year ago. And, well, that's a 3/4 inch AB with the vines in it. And it sticks pretty hard like concrete. Like over here, I put some here. And, of course, I haven't been driving over it, but it's hard as a rock. And it gets real hard. Okay, Roxy and I have just finished spreading about half of that AB over this here road fabric, and that road fabric's going to keep the clay from seeping back up through. And I got 1.5 inches down on that, so we'll see what we got here. Now I can back my RV in here, my travel trailer, and clean this up, plant some grass seed here for the springtime. Mow the lawn. But yeah, this is looks like I got a good coating on it here, and it'll dry out and get hard. Might have to put a little bit more down. Actually, the wheels are going to stop right about, I think the wheels stop right about here. So yeah, I probably need to come in with another bucket right here, but let me see how deep this is. Yeah, it's a couple inches. And that's just going to be where my RV is. So, there we go. Got everything pretty much locked up. I got to put my couple things up. I think I'm going to sell that snowplow. I don't really use it, man. It's my bucket does just as good a job as a snowplow does. That snowplow doesn't really do much for me.
Good morning. So it rained last night, and look, everything came out really nice, I guess. You know, I mean, it's nice and smooth, and there's my husband, and there's my little dog. And look how nice. Woohoo! And right where Pat's standing, that's where our trailer's going. And look at this. So tell us about what you did to it yesterday.
Well, basically, if you look at all this gravel here, and this is 1.5 inches crushed, and this is all clay. You can see this here, and it's just slippery and muddy in the winter. And so, anyways, we put that in, a couple of transfers in of 1.5 inches, and then I had some 3.5 inch minus in the bad spots. And so we've been driving on it all winter long, getting it ground in. So now I'm going to grade it again, get it kind of more smooth. And I'm going to put this road fabric down at 600-pound pencil strength. And then we'll put this 3/4 inch crust over that. And of course our RV will be here. We can come and camp when we want.
This is called Donna's Point, by the way.
Yes.
This is where we come out and we have barbecues.
As opposed to Pat's Plateau over there.
Oh yes, Pat's Plateau is over there. But back to Donna's Point. I mean, there's the hammock, the picnic table, we come out here and we feed our geese. One of them is Sally. She's quite the little yakker. I don't see her out here today. But anyway, this is our ground. Isn't it cool? I mean, it really does look nice. He did a precise, really good job.
I need to put some more gravel in here. Just a little bit more. Huh, Roxy?
And there's our girl. And see, we'll be getting out of the trailer and walking right onto our grass. And
wow, I see some green over there. What's going on? Oh, wow. Okay. Some green over there. Our trees are getting green in the tops.
yeah, I know you can't see them really in the pictures, but that's okay. And our friend Brandon, he gave us a going away present, his table and chairs. I mean, we really do have quite the little party place out here at Donna's Point. Our fire pit, our barbecue pit. And it is looking nice again. I mean, you know, granted we have some pretty dark trees, but you know, it is what it is, and you just got to go past it and look at all the stuff that's going to grow and be beautiful. Well, sorry you didn't get to see the geese. Yeah. Maybe next time.
Duck take off. You got to listen to the birds.
You can hear the birds, yeah. Hammock calling our name.
Where is that bird? I can hear it. Oh, there he is. See him up there in the branch?
But I'll show you the tree and maybe you can find him. It can be a game.
Oh,
Have a good day. Bye for now.